Well, this is a platform where we are encouraged to do much better and to exceed in our expectations. And I'm sure that this type of awards will encourage us to do more, much better, and to serve the social cause and to serve our country and the country where we are now currently established in UAE. I must take this opportunity to thank the rulers of the United Nations of Arab, who has really given us the opportunity to come and work there with a free hand, and they have been very supportive in each and every manner, so that we can exhibit our experience and our strength, and for the benefit of the country as well as for the benefit of ourselves.
First of all, thank you very much to the World Cup, who has given us an opportunity to get this brilliant award. It comes with a big sense of responsibility, because we have won last year as well, and then this is the second year in row. Indeed, it comes with a sense of responsibility and come up with a lot of courage. It do not discourage us. It comes with the courage that we should achieve year-on-year success and help us to reach to a level where there's not a word called as pinnacle. It should go beyond that. So thank you very much, World Cup, again, that helping us to achieve doing better and better and better.
We would like to dedicate this award to the entire team of the FAR Global, who has worked round the clock to ensure that we are the number one in the UAE.
And as well as to our board, and specifically to Dr. Amr Al Rawaz, who has always been an instrumental and showing us a pathway to grow year on year and helping us to know and formulating the strategy together to see that if we can achieve beyond level, which we have been aiming for. And our by Expo 2020 is coming up, so our roadmap is also clear. We are there in UAE, Oman and Qatar, but by 2020 we'll be there in all the GCC country, which is Kuwait, Saudi and Bahrain.